So then we see in case we have casting process. So we have already discussed what a casting process is. So we'll see with the live example how casting can be managed for different patterns. So I would like one of you to explain what's casting is.
Casting is the process of making a replica of an object. Casting is the manufacturing process of a liquid material like plastic, uh, metal, uh, or in a liquid form, or poured into a mold, and then allowed to solidify to get a specific shape. Once the liquid that is hardened, the object is removed from the mold, and the final process may occur to give us desired specific shape.
Okay, that's nice actually. Uh,
Here I am going to explain about the technical concept. So that part is the final product of the mold is made with the help of plastic or even metal. Coming to the mold preparation. So this final part is being made. The mold is placed in a rectangular way. It is selected by the sun. Then something about packed with the mold cavity. So now coming to the preparation. Here is the part. Now the pattern is leaves the cavity. From this region, the mold of the final product.
Before removing the pattern, there will be two holes attached to the pattern that are runner and riser. Both holes are used to pour molten metal. The runner is used for pouring the molten metal, and the riser is to check whether the molten metal is spread all throughout the pattern. And next, the solidification and cooling. After the metal is poured, molten metal is poured, the metal started to solidify, and thereafter it will compress and shrinking allowance is take place. After the solid molten one is solidified, we will remove the two parts, upper parts and lower parts, and we will we will show the final product by dismantling the sand around them.
so Nanda Kumar, Sasmita, and have explained the casting process. So what they actually said is, I will like all of you to listen. So you said this is what is this part called? What is it? This is actually pattern. So when you place pattern inside a box like this, so this is the bottom box. So bottom box is always called as drag. Okay. So top box is called as spoon. So this is a single pattern, single piece pattern because it can be made using a single box itself. Imagine you are pouring sand on top of it and you are removing the pattern. You can get the entire shape in a single pattern. So, yeah. So this is a cavity. This is single. So this type of pattern is actually called as a single piece pattern. So the only part which is missing from all of this is actual sand. Yeah. So what type of sand will be?
The type of sand used in casting is the green sand. Green sand is a type of wet sand mixture in casting. Why we need sand in casting? It is a fast and effectiveness, simple and inexpensive when compared to the other molds. With a high moisture content when compared to the other molds, it can withstand high temperature without breaking down, and it can be reused quickly without expensive property, and it is environmental friendly and food friendly.
Okay. So what are the different composition of green sand? What is the green sand? So actually, can you show that? So this is actually called as a green sand. So why? What's the color of the sand?
Black.
It's actually black. Then why are you calling it the green sand?
There is the eco.
Okay. What's the composition of the green sand? What are different sand available? Clay.
Yeah.
It's charcoal.
Charcoal gives the black color actually to the sand, and then there is triple. So it's a combination of different sands. So clay actually gives the moldability property. You hold the everything together. And what about the river sand? What's the purpose of river sand?
Keep the sand moist.
Keep the sand moist and it will make it to flow easy. Yeah. To flow easy can be obtained by the river sand. So why you are using charcoal?
And then heat resistance.
Heat resistance, okay. You compare charcoal with sand. Which will be smoother, charcoal or sand? Charcoal will be smooth. So purpose of charcoal is to give a smooth finish. Once you place the pattern and remove it, what's the name of the cavity called? Mold cavity should be actually smooth in order to get a smooth cavity. That's why you're using the green sand. So everything is explained by you in a very good manner. So now we'll move on to your actual case study. So I need to make a component like this using the sand casting process. Okay. So if you study the component carefully, can this be made in a single mold? No, sir. Why can't we make it in a single box? There is a hollow shape. And also see the shape. This here is actually a cylinder. So can you place the cylinder inside here and you pack it and you remove it? Can you get this cylinder shape in a single pattern? No. What we have to do for this? Okay. What my question is, this is a single piece pattern. Can I make this as a single piece pattern or do I need to split it into two parts? Split it into two parts. So when you split it into two parts, it's actually called as a split piece pattern. Okay. So this is actually a split piece pattern. So this pattern also has to be made like this. It has to be made into a split piece pattern. Okay. So what are the other requirements needed here?
For making hollow.
Okay, you need to make a hole here. There are two ways you can make a hole. Either you can make a solid structure and then make machining, or you can make it in the casting itself with the help of a core. So core is actually made up of what?
Sand.
Core will be made of sand. So once the pattern everything is completed, you will be placing a core in the shape of this hole inside the mold cavity. Once we remove that, you can get the entire casting. I hope you understood about the casting process. So
It's widely used. There are certain disadvantages for sign casting. That it is low in cost.
okay.
It is also versatile. That's why it is used widely. And it's also reusable since we are using these designs.
Very
And
good.
it also some disadvantages. We can once to create a mold. If we run a single mold, we need to again we need to make a mold for making another piece.
Okay.
And it also has a
So students, I hope you understood the casting process. Do any of you have any queries?
So there are familiar castings are there,
Okay.
but why we are using a sand casting most?
Why we are using sand casting instead of other type of casting?
Yes.
Can anyone say that?
Yeah. So as I already told that it is low in cost, it can also be reusable and it's also versatile. That's why it is widely used and the most commonly used.
and sand plus unit. So it's so efficient.
Right.
I hope you understood, sir. So thank you, students. We'll see you in the next.
Thank you, sir.